There's Aussie Crunch made, a good old-fashioned British standard biscuit. Just how I remember it from all those years ago. That is superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing Aussie Crunch. Contrary to popular belief, it's British. Sorry guys down under, it's got nothing to do with Aussies. It's just called Aussie Crunch. There's a bit of a description as per normal, explaining the best we can figure out why it's called Aussie Crunch. Now, this is quite popular in the UK and especially in the northeast of England, or it was when I was a kid. Anyway, here we go. Let's make Aussie Crunch. Come on. Okay, we got some melted butter. In it goes. Now, this is a really steady recipe to knock together with the kids. We got some sugar in there. We've got some cocoa powder. And we've got some golden syrup, and we're using Lyle's golden syrup. And we want about 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Good old Lyle's. So we want to be giving that a mix in. In it goes. Okay, and cornflakes, regular cornflakes, and I've squashed them all up. We've given them a good mashing in there. We've got some flour. We've got some desiccated coconut. Give it all a good mix in. Get it all fully mixed in there. Is this such an easy recipe or what? Come on. Okay, today I'm using an 8x8 tin. I've just rubbed some butter around and I've shoved some parchment paper in there because we're going to get this out. If not, it's going to stick. I'm using the HYSapientia 24-litre air fryer today, and we're going to whack it on for about 175. Let it preheat on there whilst we whack this in there like that. Grab whatever instrument that you're going to use to mash it down. I'm going to use this spoon. In it goes. And this has to be squashed. So get it in there and then start squashing it. It has to be squashed because we want it all to stick together. Fabulous. Look at that. Grab yourself a tray. That goes on the tray, and as soon as that's heated, whoom, it's in. Okay, we've had a couple of minutes warming up there, look. Let's get that in there. In it goes. And we are going to cook for about 20 minutes. That's it. Job done. Okay, there we are. 20 minutes, that'll do. There we have it. Absolutely fabulous. Just leave that to cool down completely. Let it cool. And then we're going to melt some chocolate and get some chocolate over the top. Now this will set up, so don't worry about it. Just leave it alone. Let it cool. Okay, we got some chocolate in there, and we just want to add just a little bit of oil. And we're going to microwave it in 30-second intervals. You can use as much chocolate as you want, that's entirely up to you. I'm only going for a little bit just to put on the top of my Aussie Crunch. You can go really deep if you want, that's up to you. So microwave 30-second intervals and then on there. Okay, we got this boiling hot chocolate and we're going on there. Now I'm not going too thick, like I say, you can go as thick as you like. We just want to put a little bit of chocolate on the top of there. Now smooth it on as best you can. There we go. All we got to do now is let it cool down a little minute. We'll stick it in the fridge, set it up, and then we're going to cut some. That is fantastic. Okay, come on, let's get this out. Look, it's not quite set up yet. Really, we should leave it in the fridge, but we want to crack on and get this done, don't we? Look at that. Absolutely fabulous. So we really need to be thinking about, we're coming in there like that. Oh yes. We might as well come down there, hadn't we, as well. That's nice. And in there. Let's split that, let's make it easier. Look at that Aussie Crunch. Now the chocolate's not completely set up, we know that. We're going to put it in a box in a minute, put it in the fridge. But we got to do a taste test. Amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Just how I remember it from all those years ago. That is superb. Now to be honest, I would really enjoy that without the chocolate on, but you know, the chocolate takes it over the top for some people, but that Aussie Crunch is absolutely perfect. That cocoa flavour in there with those cornflakes, and it really comes through. It's a fantastic flavour. So there you go, share with your friends. There's Aussie Crunch made. A good old fashioned British standard biscuit. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.